Eggs, packed with protein and nutrients. But can puppies eat them every day? Let's find out. Good news, eggs are safe for puppies. They're loaded with high-quality protein, great for growth, healthy fats for a shiny coat, vitamins and minerals supporting strong bones. But hold up, can they eat eggs every day? Not so fast. Too many eggs can lead to weight gain. Too much protein may throw off a balanced diet. Always cook the eggs. Raw eggs can carry bacteria. For most puppies, a few eggs per week is best, always in moderation and alongside a balanced diet. So, can puppies eat eggs every day? Not really. Eggs are great, but too much of a good thing isn't always better. How does your pup like their eggs? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more puppy-friendly tips.